In the harvest season, we capture a hint of the warmest hue. It dyes our lives with colors drawn from the earth, the wood in the forest, the soil beneath the locust tree, the roots in the mud, all bearing the mark of time's quiet richness. Sunrises and sunsets gild the human world with golden light, and when folded, they become the color of home. Time settles slowly into tea. Old photos turn their pages, releasing the warmth of bygone days. Home is a harbor of memories, where the simple, homely fire wraps itself in deep mellow tones. Curling smoke rises, spreading a soothing warmth. In that deep, warm color and glow, gentle light, the calm of the years shines into the very grain of home.